you can do is pay us $1,000 right here. Hey y'all, what's good? My name is Chanel B. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, y'all don't get on me. But I'm here, and happy new year since this is my first video of the year. I just wanted to, like, before I made any new content, I wanted to go back to like the beginning of the year. My birthday was January 3rd. My husband was January 4th. So y'all know how we like to start off our year. We go on a trip. So yeah, I'm gonna just get straight into this video. It was crazy. The police tried to extort us out of $1,000, as y'all can see by the title, and we're gonna get into why. So our birthdays are basically how we start our new year. We booked an early flight on purpose so that we could get to Cancun and drive that hour and a half to Tulum, but yeah, it just didn't work out like that. We ended up getting there at night, so, well, close to night. So our full day was just like not what it's supposed to be. But at this point, we're still being optimistic. We finally get there and we're like, hey, we're in Cancun, we're in Mexico. This was our first time flying out of the country. Normally we do like cruises and stuff. So this was our first time flying. And yeah, we get there. For whatever reason, Spirit tells us like in Tulum that you need to turn off your phones. They don't really like phones when you're like going through customs, I believe. Yeah, when you're going through customs, they don't really want you to have your phone on, so turn them completely off. So I turned mine off, but it still just felt weird to do that, especially since I'm in a foreign place. Like, I'm like, I need to have access to my phone. You just never know. So this was like in our mind at this point. But anyway, I turned my phone off. I don't really know if Eric turned his off or not, but we're going through customs. We lit. We excited. We're excited. We get to the front of the line. Everything goes smooth. They give us the like card. Tell us like when you come back, have that same card. We get stamps on our passport. It's lit at this point. We're so excited. So we're walking to get out of the airport, and we're stopped by police. I see like they're already pulling certain people to the side or just questioning certain people and letting certain people go through. I didn't really try to pay them any mind. We was like, oh, we see what they're doing. I guess we looked too long. We made eye contact with one of the police. We were trying to go, and they were like, hey, come over here to Eric. So Eric gets pulled to the side. They was like, yeah, we have random bag searches or whatever. At this point, they asked my husband. They didn't ask me to go over there, but you know, we are one, so I go over there with him. They're going through his stuff. They're like, have you been to Mexico before? What are you visiting for? Do you know any people here? They're just like probing us. They go through his stuff. They don't find anything. Cool, I'm thinking we can go. Now they want to go through my stuff since they didn't find anything in his. And they're like, yeah, do you have anything like blah blah blah? And then they was like, what is this, a makeup bag? At that point, it was like a hookah case. So I brought my hookah with me because I seen a lot of videos. We watched a whole bunch of videos before we went to Mexico on like what people bring and this, that, and the other, thinking we're gonna get there and smoke hookah or whatever. They opened the hookah kit and they was like, oh, what's this? And it's supposed to be, well, you know, the stuff that comes with it. What is it called? Shisha? So they was like, what's this? And I was like, yeah, it's just the stuff that go in it. And they was like, oh, you're not allowed to have this type shit. And I'm like, I've watched a whole bunch of videos, like nothing is in it. It's not even, it says herbal hookah on it. So they like, oh yeah, tobacco, weed, CBD, everything is illegal here to bring. So what you can do is pay us $1,000 right here, or we're gonna have to call the people for you to go, or some shit like that. And we're like, okay, this don't make sense. Like, you could look at the ingredients and see that it's tobacco free. It's just called herbal hookah or whatever, but it's tobacco free. It doesn't have weed in it. It's not laced with anything or whatever like that. I just use the I just like tobacco free hookah. I like the experience, but I don't like the hookah. I mean, I don't like the headaches that tobacco actually give me. So we smoke tobacco free hookah. But they were trying to like press that it wasn't. But at this point, we're smart about what we brung down there on purpose, because we know we're in a foreign country. We don't want to get messed with or whatever. Like at this point, we know that what we have is okay. So we're telling both of these officers, okay, the ingredients are right here. Y'all need to read. They was like, oh no, that's not allowed, blah blah blah. So y'all are gonna have to give us $1,000. And at this point, both me and Eric are like turning up, like kind of making a scene. And we're like, no, that's not the case. They was like, so do y'all want to go, or do y'all want to give us the $1,000? We're like, we're not giving y'all $1,000. Again, read the ingredients. Nothing are in here. Like if you call whoever you're trying to call, they can see on these ingredients that there's no tobacco in it, there's no hookah in it, so it's nothing like illegal going on. And Eric was like, yeah, we could just throw it away if it's a problem. They was like, no, looking around like you can't throw it away in here. And it was like still trying to press us for the $1,000. But we like, at this point, y'all can call it people, because it's nothing in here that's wrong. We're not giving y'all $1,000. Like at that point, they were like, we're not getting no money from them. So they were like, yeah, y'all could go away, just don't like bring it back or whatever. But it was only because like we were literally getting loud, making a scene, like talking about you could call whoever you want, because y'all are not about to take away our money over some bullshit. Like y'all are really out here extorting people out of $1,000. And Eric still threw the shit away in the airport. But when I told y'all beforehand, I was looking at the people that they were pulling to the side and asking questions on. They were literally trying to talk to people that like didn't look like they were like culture, that had been there before. They were looking for people like with the money. They were looking for like black young people type shit like that. That's the feeling I got from like the people that I saw them pull over. Even after we left, I immediately saw like this tall black dude and his girlfriend or wife or whatever she was. They were pulled to the side right after us. So I just felt like it was a whole bunch of bullshit going on. They were like targeting people they felt like they could get money out of, whether they felt like they had it or whether they felt like they were ignorant to Mexico laws, but they weren't about to fuck with us. And it's crazy because like again, that was our birthday trip. So I got a call on my birthday, and at this point it was a whole bunch of stuff that had just went wrong with that trip. Well, we really weren't feeling it like at all, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. But I got a call on my birthday and I was like, yeah, I'm really not feeling it or whatever because of this, that, and the other. And it was like, it's crazy, the same shit happened to us when we went to Mexico not too long ago. They tried to fuck with us, but then like one of them starts speaking like their language, and they were like, oh, we can't fuck over her type stuff. So they like changed the way they dealt with them. And that really, really frustrated me because, like, you know, we going over there trying to have a good time, put money, give y'all money, like help y'all economy and shit like that, and y'all trying to fuck over us. Like, I was so upset. Like, we were so upset. Like, from the first to the third, it was just like chaotic. It didn't get good until that night. But again, that's gonna be a whole nother video. I just wanted to tell y'all, like, read up on like Mexican laws. Be careful on what you bring over there. Be careful on how your bags and stuff is packed. Like, they will really try to mess with you if you don't know what you're talking about. Like, yeah, we just had the ingredients. We were like not taking, like, we were not just about to get them $1,000, and they were talking about 1,000 US at that point. Like, you know how much that is converted to over there? No, like, we not with what y'all talking about. So anyway, we didn't give them our money. We didn't give them our money, like, at all. And I wasn't gonna make this video, but I wanted to inform y'all, like, no matter where you're going, like, the US is messed up. Like, we have some scammy people here, but that's wherever you go. Like, you can go places and have a good time. Just know their laws. Be cool. Like, I'm not gonna say like we were turning up crazy on them, but like both of us are educated to know like you're not finna fuck over us. And that's that. That's that. But yeah, y'all be safe wherever y'all traveling this year. I hope y'all get to travel a whole bunch of places that y'all never been this year. I feel like this year is the year to travel. Travel mas. Like, I'm wishing traveling on y'all this year. I'm wishing y'all a happy new year and just good vibes all around. Sorry if this was just like a negative video. It's no like, there's no negativity towards like the whole Mexican culture. It's gonna be crooked cops and shit wherever you go. I'm just letting y'all know, wherever y'all travel to, read up on laws, know your stuff, handle yourself in a good way too. Like it's not like we were like cursing them out or like just talking crazy to them, but we were letting them know that we weren't the ones that you were about to get the money out of. So yeah, just wanted to share that experience with y'all. But y'all, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like it, or even vegan cooking videos and travel videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. I hope you found it helpful or entertaining. I just had to lace y'all up on what went on. But I'm about to record another video for y'all, so we with the content this year. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day, night, week, weekend, whatever it is. And I love y'all. Bye.